Good morning, all. Good morning, Karishma ma'am.
Good morning, Akshra ma'am. How are you?
I am awesome, ma'am, and the weekend was really nice. I enjoyed my weekend thoroughly because we had a dance party.
Yes, even I enjoyed so much in dance party and it was fabulous to see that all our kids were dancing and were enjoying.
Yes. So let us start our genius session for today. So, Karishma ma'am, I have a question for you. Can you tell me which is our national animal?
Tiger?
Yes, you are right. So, would you like to read a book related to tigers?
Oh, that means you are here to give me the knowledge about more about the tigers.
Yes, today we will read about tigers and baby of tigers. Do you know what are the baby of tigers called? What do we call the baby tigers?
No, I don't know. I just call them baby tiger.
Okay, then let us read this book from Epic Library and then you will come to know about lots of facts. And at the end, we will play a quiz also. Okay,
Okay.
all right, so here we go. Baby tigers. How long do baby tigers stay with their mothers? Kids will learn the answers to all these questions and more when they read this book. So, ready? Let's read. Okay. Baby tigers are called cubs. So, now you know, Karishma ma'am, what are baby tigers called? They are called
Yes,
as,
they are called pups.
yes, they are called as cubs. And can you tell me what is the color of baby tigers?
They are brownish.
Okay. And you can see in the picture, they look like
They're just
orange.
like the tigers.
Yeah, and you know the baby tigers are often twins. They are born as twins. So कभी कभी वन से ज्यादा बेबी टाइगर जब बॉर्न होते हैं दोनों सिमिलर लगते हैं बिल्कुल देखने में एक जैसे लगते हैं जैसे ट्विंस होते हैं ना मैम ट्विंस की क्या स्पेशलिटी होती है दे लुक सिमिलर दे हैव सेम फेस सेम फीचर्स so baby tigers also look like same they both look similar to each other. Most baby
Wow.
tigers are orange. Yes, ज्यादातर baby tigers का कलर ऑरेंज होता है. करिश्मा मैम, क्या बेबी टाइगर्स का कोई और भी कलर होता है?
Yellow,
Yellow, no.
brown, orange,
Orange is one of the color, and one more color is there. If you can think
white.
of it, yes. Sometimes baby tigers are white also. Baby tigers can also be white in color. So जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा बेबी टाइगर सिर्फ ऑरेंज कलर के ही हो व्हाइट कलर के भी हो सकते हैं बेबी टाइगर्स हैव ब्लैक स्ट्रिप्स उनकी बॉडी पे आप देख सकते हो ना देयर आर ब्लैक कलर स्ट्रिप्स ऑल ओवर द baby tiger's body. All the tiger's body have strips on their body and they are very dangerous. Karishma ma'am, you know tigers are wild animals. We cannot keep them at home.
No, they are wild animals. They live in a forest. They are very dangerous for us.
Yes, and as you can see in the picture, the tiger is not hunting. वो उसको hurt नहीं कर रहा है. You know, mother tigers carry their babies by their neck. So हमें जो पिक्चर में दिख रहा है कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि वो अपने बेबीज को खा जाते हैं बट ऐसा नहीं होता है कोई मम्मा अपने बेबी को नहीं हर्ट करती है एंड मदर टाइगर्स कैरी देयर बेबीज बाय देयर neck. So you can see that in the picture. Okay. Mother tigers play with their babies. You know, the mothers and the babies. Like आपकी मम्मा भी खेलती होंगी ना आपके साथ वैसे ही एनिमल्स की
Yes.
जो मदर्स होती हैं वो भी उनके साथ प्ले करती है एंड द ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स जो आपस में ब्रदर सिस्टर्स होते हैं ना एनिमल्स में वो भी बहुत सारा प्ले करते हैं Karishma ma'am, do you play with your brothers and sisters?
Yes, ma'am. I play with my siblings. I play with my mother, and as mother protectors, they play with us. It's same with the animals also. They care for
Yes,
their babies. They play with them. They protect them, and they just do anything to fulfill their needs of their babies. So it's just
yes.
same.
And you can see there is a baby tiger with brown color here. So Karishma ma'am was right. Few tigers can be of brown color as well. Baby tigers stay with their mothers for 2 years. कितने टाइम तक रहते हैं अपनी मम्मा के पास वो? For 2 years.
2 years.
And then they are grown up, जब वो बड़े हो जाते हैं, so they start searching for their food by themselves. So, how many facts we have learned today in this book that tiger is the largest cat species. Cat species में वो सबसे बड़ा large animal होता है and they
Give
come
in
from,
two colors, orange and white.
yes, we learned then
They
they are
are
the,
often called twins.
yes,
And their mother protect them like the human mother protect their babies. The tiger
yes,
mother also protect their baby tigers,
yes.
and they live with their mom for 2 years and they go for their own search of food.
Yes, and you know, tigers come from Asia. Asia में सबसे ज्यादा टाइगर पाए जाते हैं. And India is a part of Asian country.
Yes, yeah,
तो
yes.
हमारे इंडिया में भी टाइगर्स होते हैं ना मैम. गुजरात में बहुत सारे टाइगर्स हैं. तो
We have a
टाइगर्स,
sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries. We have
yes.
national parks for their tigers.
And tigers are good swimmers also. They can swim in water also. So थोड़ा थोड़ा स्विमिंग भी जानते हैं हमारे टाइगर्स. And each tiger strips are different. सबकी same different same strips नहीं होती हैं. They are different. So let's have a quiz here, Karishma ma'am. We will read few sentences for you, and now you are a student. You have to answer what is true and what are the false statement. So ये quiz है और हमने बुक में इतनी सारी चीजें सीखी. So now it's time for a quiz time. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me, baby tigers are called cubs.
Yes.
So you have to say true.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a right one. Baby tigers can be white.
True.
Okay, you're right. Mother tigers carry their babies by the leg.
No, by their neck.
Yes, so this is a false statement. This
False.
is wrong. Baby tigers never play together.
No, they play together like us.
Yes, so this
False.
is also false. Baby tigers stay with their mother for 2 years.
True, it's correct. They live with their mothers for 2 years, then they go for their own search.
Very good. So, what new words we learn from this book? We learn Asia. What is Asia? The largest of the
Continent.
continents. Yes. हमारे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे कॉन्टिनेंट्स है ना, उसमें सबसे लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट कौन सा है? एशिया. एंड एशिया कवर्स रशिया, इंडिया एंड चाइना. ये तीनों कंट्री एशियन कंट्रीज हैं. रशिया, इंडिया एंड चाइना. And we learned the second word was species. Species is a group of related living beings. तो बहुत सारे tigers को हम species कहते हैं, like a cat species. So tiger relate to the cat species. And we also learn a word that is twins. So twins are the babies born at the same time from a mother at the same birth. तो जब एक ही टाइम पे दो बेबीज का बर्थ होता है, they are called as twins. Are you ready for one more quiz?
Yes, I'm ready and I'm enjoying it.
Okay, so let us take one more quiz very shortly. Okay, start the quiz. What are baby tigers called? Come on, Karishma ma'am.
Cub. It's cubs.
Okay, you're right. Do baby tigers look like twins?
Yes, they look like twins.
Okay, you are right. What color are baby tigers? Green, blue, or orange? Or red?
Orange.
Okay, you are
Again,
right.
it's right.
Yes, because you have read the book very nicely. Baby tigers can be orange and
White.
yes, the other color can be white. Orange और white दोनों color के हो सकते हैं. What
Yes,
colors
I
are
have seen white tigers in a zoo.
Oh wow. What color are the stripes of baby tigers? Baby tiger की body पे कौन से color की strips होती हैं?
Black.
Very good.
Ma'am, do you know we have one more animal with the black strips?
That is zebra.
Yes, but they are white and black both.
Yes. Okay. Mother tigers hold their babies by which part of body?
Their, by their neck.
Okay. Do mother tigers play with their babies?
Yes, they play with their babies like our mother used to do.
Okay. Baby tigers stay with their mom for how many years?
2 years.
Okay. Very good. Oh wow. 8 out of 8,
Yay.
Karishma ma'am. Very nice. Okay. Okay, Karishma ma'am. This was the book. Now, would you like to see a video also about the tiger's facts?
Oh, video on the same tigers. Yes, I would love to.
Yes.
Today you will be giving the knowledge more about the tigers to me.
Yes, ma'am. We should read more and more. So today we are going to learn about tigers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
About tigers. A special thank you to the Smiley family who suggested that we make a tiger video. We're not able to do all the videos people suggest, but sometimes we are, and that's really awesome when that works out. Smiley family, we love the suggestions. Here we go. We're going to talk some tigers. We're talking tigers today. Well, I suppose we should start at the beginning. What are tigers? Well, tigers are massive cats with dark vertical stripes. Here's a picture of a tiger, right? Pretty recognizable, massive cats with those dark vertical stripes that you see. Now, most tigers have reddish-orange fur, but some have grayish-white fur. And you can look at both these pictures. Both these are tigers. That top one is the one most people think of. They usually think of the reddish-orange fur. Most tigers look that way, but not all of them do. But notice, all tigers have dark vertical stripes. That's what makes these cats really recognizable as tigers. Ooh, this is fun. Are you ready for a fun tiger fact?
Yes,
We're
we
going to
are
learn a fun
ready.
tiger fact right now. Did you know tigers are the largest members of the cat family? It's true. They are the largest members of the cat family. So if anyone ever asks you in your life, what are the largest cats? You'll tell them tigers. Tigers. Tigers are the largest. How cool is that? If you think, what's the largest member of the cat family? Tigers. Tigers are huge. It's insane. Did you know tigers can get 11 feet long? That's a whole foot longer than a full-sized basketball goal. 11 feet. Huge. These are huge cats. And tigers can weigh as many as 660 pounds. They're super long. They're super huge. They are the biggest cats in the cat family. Tigers are huge cats. But tigers aren't always that size. When they're babies, they are so small and so cute. Now, do you know what baby tigers are called? Uh-huh. They're called cubs.
Yes.
Tiger babies
They are called cubs.
tiger cubs. Now, we're going to get some help from some friends of ours to find out what these baby tigers, these tiger cubs, sound like. Our first helper is Caleb. Go ahead, man. Wow! Whoa, buddy, that was awesome. That was so cool. Now we're going to get help from our friend Lydia. So cool. Thank you, Lydia. Caleb and Lydia, thanks for helping us out there. Wow, tiger cubs are awesome. Now this.
So, how was it, Karishma ma'am?
Ma'am, it was brilliant. I got to know more about the tigers, which even I was not knowing. Like you said, that it is in twins, and the species which we found is orange and white. Earlier, I thought it was brown, but now I know it's orange. And I didn't knew that they live with their mother for 2 years, but I know now that they live for 2 years and they go there in search of their own. And Major, the white tigers. It was really nice to know that we have white tigers also.
Yes, absolutely. From this class, we have learned lots and lots of knowledge about tigers. So, Karishma ma'am, would you like to play a game with wild animals?
Yes, I would love to play a game with you.
Okay, even I would love to play a game with you as a team. And with that game, we will learn more about wild animals. Okay, so let us start. All right, here you go. Okay, so we should name today duo or with my name. Let us give your name today. Okay, Karishma ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so this is game playing by Karishma ma'am. What animal is this?
Okay, we have to identify animal. It's
Yes.
then yes.
Okay, is it a kitten or a cat? A cat? Right. What animals is this? Monkey,
Gorilla.
lemur, gorilla, or eagle?
No,
Gorilla.
gorilla.
Yes. Okay. What next?
Again, we have to identify an animal.
Yes. Which animal is this, Karishma ma'am?
This
Can
is a
you tell
bear.
me? It's a bear. Okay, this is a right answer. Okay, the next one.
Again, an animal.
Oh, which animal is this? It's not a duck, it's not a deer, it's not a bear. I think this
It's
is
a
a
beaver.
beaver. Yes, a beaver. I have seen him very first time.
Okay, and again, animal. Oh, it's simple, ma'am. It's a kids also. Crow.
Yeah, the crow. Okay. Which animal is this? I think it's a deer. Yes. Right. Okay. What animal is this? What animal is this, Karishma ma'am?
It's a duck.
A duck?
Yes.
Sure. Not a crow, not eagle, not fish.
No, crow is black. Fish lives in water. Yes.
Yes. Wow, Karishma ma'am is winning so many points, kiddos. What animal is this? Eagle, cock, bull, or crow?
Eagle.
An eagle. Yes. What animal is this? This is an elephant?
Yay,
Yes.
it's an answer.
Okay. What animal is this? Wow. What is this? It's a fish, na? Okay, Karishma ma'am, now your turn. All right.
Okay. Fox.
Okay, it's a fox. You're right.
Right. Again, an animal. Okay. It's not a teddy bear. It's not a mouse. It's not a cat. Yes, it's a frog. Okay. Mummy, no frog can live both on land and in water. Okay.
Yes.
What
Right.
animal is this?
What animal is this?
I think of jungle. Lion. Lion. Okay. It's a kangaroo. This is not a lamb or a goat. Yes. Okay, we are right. Next we have, again we have to identify an animal. Okay, this is not a kangaroo, this is not a duckling, not a goat. It's a goat? We are getting so many points. Okay, this is not a goat, this is not a bull, this is not a dolphin, this is a horse. Okay, we have to identify an animal. Okay. Oh, this is a monkey. They live on trees. What animal is this? Aksha ma'am, you can tell me who is this? Unmute Aksha ma'am. What animal is this? Okay, this is an owl, a duck, a hawk. Okay, it's an owl, you're right. Okay, we have to identify an animal. This is ball. Aksha ma'am, please unmute yourself.
How was the game, Karishma ma'am?
It was full with fun, ma'am. I got to know more about the animals.
Yes. So let us take a small break and then we'll be back with lots and lots of surprises. Okay? Drink lots of water. Karishma ma'am, now we have a reading book with us. You know, it is very important to read to learn more and more. And we all suggest our students to read a lot. So, this is a video where you will learn about a special nest. So, Karishma ma'am, would you like to read with us?
Yes, I love reading. Reading increases our knowledge.
Okay, so let us read then.
by Kavita Singh. Winter is approaching. A bird decides to build a nest. She gathers little twigs and builds her nest carefully. After a lot of care and hard work, the nest is ready. It is warm and cozy. The bird is happy. She lies down and begins daydreaming of a comfortable winter. As she is about to fall asleep, she feels something shaking. The bird thinks, maybe the wind is shaking the nest.
What do you think, Karishma ma'am? Why the nest is shaking?
Maybe someone has disturbed his nest.
You know, it is not the wind. It is a big giant animal. Let's see.
Nest a little. But the nest shakes and trembles
Oh my
and
God.
shakes some more. The bird flies out of the nest. The next moment, the nest falls to the ground.
Oh no.
The bird sees an elephant using the tree to scratch her back. She is quite annoyed.
See,
So
the
rude of you,
elephant is
elephant.
scratching his back with the
She
help
says to
of
her
tree.
angrily and flies away.
Okay.
She begins to search for a new place, a place where elephants can't reach her.
Okay, she
She
has
starts
shifted her
building a
place.
new nest.
Yes, now she will build the
With
nest
care and
again.
hard work,
Birds
she
are
builds
very
a
hard
home.
working, you know.
Tired, she falls asleep. Just as she is about to close her eyes, she sees two big round
my God.
eyes. They are staring at her.
Can you tell me whose big eyes are these?
No, ma'am. Whose?
It's a human, a man.
It's a painter. He takes her nest and throws it
Okay,
away.
his nest was again thrown.
Then
Yes.
she picks up a brush and starts painting the wall. The bird is very annoyed.
Bird is very angry again.
This is so rude of you, human, she says to him angrily and flies away. Her heart is heavy with worry. As she flies, she sees a balloon floating in the air. And another.
Wow, colorful balloon.
She looks below and sees
Yes.
lots and lots of balloons. The bird looks at the balloons and has an idea.
Now see
With
what
care
happens
and
next.
hard work, she builds a
Wow,
new nest.
she is
This time,
okay.
nobody
Yes,
can disturb
nobody
her.
can disturb her now. She's flying high and high. How was it?
It was fabulous. And she has
Yes.
used her mind that everyone was disturbing her and his nest. So he decided to take the help of balloons so that no one can disturb her.
Yes, and you know what was the best thing about this story? That we learn we should be hardworking, and sometimes it happens that situation is not in your favor. कभी कभी होगा जब आपको लगेगा कि आपके साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ है. But did you notice? Bird did not give up. Bird ने हार नहीं मानी. वो बार बार अपना नेस्ट बनाती थी. पूरी हार्ड वर्क के साथ बहुत मेहनत करती थी. And at the last, she was happy. Yes.
Yes. In every situation, yes, she was annoyed again as her nest was disturbed, but she didn't quit. She
Yes.
She continued her artwork.
Yes. So now, Karishma ma'am, what next?
Ma'am, today's sessions you have given me so much knowledge about the baby tigers, and now this. Now I want to play.
A game?
Yes.
Okay, then. Can you let me play? You can be the teacher. I can be a student this time.
Okay, we can do this.
Okay. So here we go. What are we playing today, Karishma ma'am?
We are playing Spot the Difference. I'll be showing you the pictures and you will be spotting out the differences.
Okay, then let us start. I love picking out the differences.
Okay, let's see.
Spot the difference. Okay. We have to find out the difference from this in the two pictures.
Yes,
Okay. So I can
this
see,
looks like normal, but there are differences.
yes, I can see that, Karishma ma'am. The bow tie of the dog is having a different pendant. उसका pendant बहुत different है. एक में bow tie वाला pendant है, एक में circular pendant है. And the nose of dog is of different color. And dog's uh, the bowl of food is not having a bone in the next picture. So this is the third difference. And the eye is the fourth one. एक doggy की एक ही eye है, only one eye. So I think there are,
And one
oh yes,
more.
one more, the
Yay.
tail. Yes, the tail is different in both the pictures. Okay. Am I right,
That means-
Karishma ma'am?
Yes, you're right. That means we have 5
One,
differences.
two, yes, three, four, and the fifth one is tail. Okay, we have
Yes.
one more. Oh, the ears. Okay.
Okay, let's
Again,
find the difference between cows.
let's see. One is the ear of the cow in the second picture is below. It is down. It is a kind
Yes.
of a hidden ear. Then the first picture cow is eating grass, but in the second picture it's not eating the grass. And third one is
What?
tail. The color of tail hair is different. One is of brown and the other one is of white. And the color of legs. The color of leg is also different. And the spots over the body are of different size. So 1, 2, 3,
I
4,
can see
5.
one more difference in the
Oh,
mouth. She's eating grass and
that I
in the
picked
second.
out.
Okay.
Okay,
Then
one
we
of
have
the thorn.
counted.
Karishma ma'am, see, one of the thorn has white spots, white polka dot, but the other one is not having. I think that can be the sixth difference. What do you say?
Yes. Let's
Let's
see
see.
how many difference.
One, ears. Two, the grass.
Two.
Third one is the spots. Fourth, the leg.
Okay.
Fifth
With
one,
the
the
tail.
tail. Yeah, I got it. The sixth one. Yay. Okay.
Okay. We have 2 cats now.
Yes, let us see. The first is the eye. The color of eyeball is blue in the second picture. That is the first difference. Then the color of nose, second. Then the color of the body is different of the cat. One is pink, the
Tail
other
is
one is white.
missing.
Tail is in different shape. Yes. Or she's having large. This cat is having large tail, but in the second picture, the cat is having small tail. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 differences we have found. Then fifth one is the ear. If you can notice, the cat in the second picture is having ear with some more hair on the top of it. That is fifth difference. Anything else, Karishma ma'am? Yes, the eyebrow of cat in the second picture.
Color.
Yes, let's
It's
see.
broad. Okay.
One,
Second.
two,
Third is
4,
nose,
the 5,
eyes,
and the ear. Mm. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, Karishma ma'am, would you like to spot the differences?
Okay. I can see first difference. The color of the bowl is changed.
Yes.
Okay. The color of leg is also changed. One is brown, second is pink.
Yes.
Color of ears. In first picture it's brown, second it's pink.
Third difference, very good.
Okay. Any other difference?
Hands position, Karishma ma'am. The position of hand in the second picture of bear is different.
Yes. One is sitting and second one is he's eating something,
Dancing.
right?
Yes, and the mouth. The first picture, the mouth of bear is open, and the second
Open.
picture closed.
Close. We have five
Okay.
differences.
Yeah, we have 6 difference here also. I think these are the only one. Yeah, one of the eyeball is big, and in this picture, the eyeballs are in the same size. Maybe. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, see?
One is ear. Second is eyes. Third we have nose. Fourth is position of hand. Fifth we have its legs. And sixth is bowl.
Yay!
Yes, we have six differences.
Let us find out here also, Karishma ma'am.
Okay.
The tail, the body spot, the eyes of the rhino. Fish is also not there in first picture.
Yes, one tooth was there.
Okay, let's see. The eyes, nose, color of leg is white.
Color of the nose. Color of the
Find out
stomach.
body color, yes.
This much.
Okay, let us see. Okay, Karishma ma'am, let us see the difference in this picture. Kiddos, you please help us.
Okay, lion.
First one is the eyes of the tiger. Though, yeah, this is lion. So not tiger, this is lion. The eye of lion. Second is the mouth.
Tail of lion.
Third
Tail
is
of
the
lion.
tail. Yes.
One leg of the. Okay.
Okay, so
We have white.
the
We
bone.
have
Yes,
white.
bone,
Yes.
bone.
That
That is
one is
bone.
missing.
Yes, and can you see one of the leg has a brownish part as the feet, right?
Yes, can you see that color of the hairs on the mouth? One
Yeah,
is dark and second it's light.
yes. Let us see these are the 6 differences or not. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5, 6. Hooray! Okay, Karishma ma'am.
Alligator.
Yes, let us see. The first difference is the fish. In the first picture, fish is not there. The pink fish is
Okay.
also not there. So the second difference is the
Ma'am,
fish.
back one. Two fishes are there in the second pond.
Yes. And can you see the alligator mouth
The
is
mouth
open
of alligator, yes.
and eyes are
One
one of the eyes
eyeball.
is missing. Fourth. And the green mark
On
on
the
the body.
body. Yes.
Yes, that is fifth. And this one also the brown mark. Yes. Let us see.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, 1,
Okay.
2,
Awesome.
3, 4, 5, and 6. So, kiddos, how was it? How did you like Karishma ma'am? Was it awesome?
Ma'am, it was fabulous. I enjoyed, and today I've learned many more things and knowledge about the animals, and it was fun. And animal is the very favorite topic of our kids.
Yes, and I loved learning facts, having so much fun in the genius session, and especially the spot the difference. So thank you so much, Karishma ma'am, for teaching us everything. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Akshay, ma'am. Bye bye.